Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Java overloading questions look scary, but this one breaks fast if you compare method signatures carefully and spot which new definitions are actually different. Method overloading in Java only works when the parameter list changes, either by number, order, or types, so matching just the method name is totally fine. Watch this carefully. Method I fails because one int parameter already exists exactly, and Java sees that as a duplicate signature, not a new overload, so it causes a compile time error. Method 2 works because the order becomes string and int, and method 3 adds a third parameter, so both are valid. That makes option D. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, rushing past signature details. Rule, trust the given methods and check parameter count, type, and order carefully.